Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is June 18th. We've got a little lower start this morning for corn and beans. Wheat up just a half a cent, but corn down a quarter, just barely, and beans down about 3.5. So export sales out today, more neutral as far as old crop export sales. Not a lot of surprises. New crop, on the other hand, maybe a little bit better than expected for beans. They were expecting 150 to 350,000. Got 532. For corn, coming in at the higher end of its expectations, and wheat right in the middle of theirs. So the only major surprise there maybe is in new crop beans, that we did get a little better than expected sales than what they're thinking of. But more of the focus is going to be on what is this weather going to do this weekend. We've got the remainder of what's Tropical Storm Bill that's come up through the midsection now. Going to be hitting the lower parts of the Corn Belt where we will see a lot of rain coming from that as it pushes more east. But I think a lot of that has been already talked about, and already the market already knows that this is what's happening. So we got to be careful. We've seen a decent bounce. Can we see some further strength? We're going to need to see something else come out to continue to fuel the bullishness. So I don't know if we're going to see that as of yet. We've got too many producers out there that still have these basis contracts that we're going to need to see them come up with their commitments here by the end of this month. So a lot of cash that needs to switch hands from the producer's hands to the commercial hands here before the end of the month, mostly for corn. And I think that's what's going to try to keep a cap on much of a bounce that we may get as we go toward the end of the month and these commitments that need to be that are coming due. Something else that came out this morning, NOAA's long-term forecast looking at the month of July as a whole. Their forecast came in, well, extremely ideal for growth and going through pollination for corn, exactly what we could want. Normal to below normal temps, normal to above normal preset for the month of July. So that just came out this morning. That will be looked at as negative. Things are ideal as far as growth there. So we'll see if that does happen. We've got today and tomorrow last chance to get online. Give us your numbers as far as planted acres for our survey. We're going to compile these numbers and get this out to you as soon as we can, and let you know how much preventative plant we're going to see, if any, which we know we will see some, and then what kind of acreage are we looking, corn and beans, what's been planted already, and where we're at. So just a better look as we get closer to that report here at the end of the month. As far as livestock, cattle down 65 right now. Box beef coming in a little higher. Choice up 93. Select up 182. We're still hearing 150 bids out there. That's still $2 lower from where we were last week, suggesting cash prices may be at a 152. But some disappointing trade here to start the morning. Hogs up a little bit this morning. Saw a stronger move yesterday. Getting a little bit more of a push here today, but we did see cutouts fall 52 cents yesterday, and we may see that influence the market yet. Trends right now certainly still lower. We need to see another solid day here in order to get the bulls back in this market. Stock market up 65, crude oil up 45 cents right now, and we've got the dollar down 55, so still reacting to some of the news that we had seen from Janet Yellen yesterday and the Fed not raising rates, and giving a little bit of a disappointing move here to the dollar. So anyway, give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.